Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Let's see how to block the permissions to the location access in Mozilla Firefox. To the location access in Mozilla Firefox. Okay, so let's get started. So let's try to open the Mozilla Firefox. Okay, on the top right hand side here you can see the three lines. Okay, open application menu. So click on that particular option, open application menu. So once you click on that, just scroll down and here you can see the settings option. Okay, so click on that settings option and on the left hand side here you can see so many options called general, home, search and all. Okay, so click on privacy and security and just scroll down and here you can see the permissions to the location, camera, microphone and all. Okay, so for the location here you can see the settings. So click on settings and here you can see the following websites have requested to access your location. You can specify which websites are allowed to access your location. Okay, so you can also block the new requests asking to access your location. Okay, so whichever the site is accessing your location, it will be listed here, and if you want that particular website means if you want to remove that particular website means you can select this particular website and here you can click on remove website. Okay, so and suppose if you want to remove for all means you can just select all and here you can select the remove all websites. Okay, for example, suppose if you want all the future websites or whatever the sites you want that particular sites to block the location access means, so here there is an option called block new requests asking to access your location. Okay, so this means like this will prevent any website which is not even listed here in this particular area or above from the requesting permission to access your location. Blocking access to your location may break some website features. Okay, so this also means that if you block the location access to that particular website or any website asking your location permission, that will break some of the features. Okay, so you can't access some of the features if you block the location permission. Okay, so here you can select this particular option block to block the new requests asking to access your location. So just tick mark here and you can just save the changes. Okay, so this is how you can block the permission to the location access in Mozilla Firefox. Okay, so that's all about this particular video, guys. I hope you like this particular video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you and all. Thank you. Bye bye.